Hello class and welcome back. In this lesson we are going to be covering art as in an art gallery. So I know we haven't really covered much about this kind of setting before, but typically I do like to introduce my students to other artworks that are in galleries and things like that. So an art gallery is a building that is designated for displaying art. It's like a museum. It can house famous works like a museum does, or it can even be works from local artists where artists come in and they donate their work and things like that. Typically, we have an art show once a year and we show artwork from our students and sometimes our staff members. We might have a staff art show, but we definitely always have a student art show too. Well, to get you prepared for that, I want you to take some time and visit our art tour that we have virtually. And some of the images that you see here, these are the images that are available in our online art gallery. These images range from very famous works like the one you're seeing here to more modern renditions. For instance, this online artist here. There's lots of different artworks that I have available on this digital art show. And the link is in the description down below. Your goal for today, and this is an assignment that I really want you to think about. Your goal or your assignment, I want you to actually look through all of these artworks. Just go through it a quick glance, see which one of these artworks that you really like that stands out to you. And I want you to answer these questions. What is the name of the artwork? And who is the artist? That's the first question. Second question, upon first seeing the artwork, what stood out to you? Next, if you were to guess, what would you think the story or meaning of this artwork is? Question number 4, if there was one thing that you could change about the artwork, what would it be and why? Now, after you answer these questions, write your answers down because I want to know what artworks you're looking at and your thoughts on it. But after you answer these questions, I want you to Google your image. See if you can find out information about the artist, about the work. See what you could come up with. And then I want you to write me a short paragraph essay on what your thoughts are about the artwork. Has your thoughts changed since you looked up the artwork? What were they before? What are they now? What did you find out about your research? And has your opinion of the artwork changed now that you have looked it up? Take your time on this. You have an entire class period to work on this, and I'm not asking you to write an entire 3 or 4 page essay. This can just be something really quick. It can be, I'm looking for a paragraph, maybe 2 paragraphs, hopefully a half a page essay on it, so it's not very long. But I really want you to look through these works and find one that stands out to you. Really look at these works and try and see if you can get inside of the head of the artist. Just think about the work, research it, see what you can come up with about it. Okay, so that is your assignment. Go ahead, answer those questions for me. Let me know what your artwork is and give me your thoughts on it. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you would like to browse through our online selection of artwork, the link is in the description. If you have a question or comment, go ahead, leave me a comment down below. And if you are not one of my students, but you would like to participate in the class, go ahead and subscribe to our channel because I'm going to be uploading all of my lessons over the next couple weeks. And just in case you want to be part of our class, you can keep up to date whenever a new lesson comes out. So thank you all very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.